So I'm going to show you something, and I want you to tell me if you notice anything that stands out to you. Did you see it? You missed it? Okay, I'll show it again. There. Did you see it this time? If you're like most Americans, that open concept kitchen that I just showed you probably didn't shoot off any alarm bells or raise any red flags for you. In fact, a study done by the National Association of Home Builders found that 70% of home buyers prefer either a completely or a partially open family room layout. Welcome to Flip the Script. I'm Dr. Lee, and today we will be discussing how home buyers have fallen in love with these open concept kitchens because not only do they look great, but let's be honest, it's kind of a double win when you can stand in the same room and stir the pot and the conversation at the same time. But what if I told you that despite these gorgeous lines that these open floor plans provide, this trend may silently be contributing to America's expanding waistlines? In fact, studies have shown that when food is visible, we eat 44% more than when food is tucked away. 44%. Now, you can argue that that's a willpower problem, but I'm going to argue that that's just kitchen psychology. And it gets worse. For everyone celebrating that new job that they landed post-COVID, well, congratulations. Your office snack drawer has now just expanded to your entire home. So, how do we combat this? Well, the good news is you do not have to renovate your entire house. You just have to rearrange your habits. So now that you're aware, the biggest thing is to make sure that you hide any temptations. Keep them off the counter and store them in places that you can't just walk by and grab them, like a crawl space or an attic. Hide your snacks. Put the healthy foods front and center and watch those living room setups that put Temptation Island in full view. So now that we've exposed this open concept equals open fridge conspiracy, what's your game plan? Are you planning on taking the rearrange your space approach, or are you on team leave the furniture, just hide the snacks? Either way, drop me a comment and let me know how you are planning to outsmart those snack attacks. And just think, fewer chips, more clicks, hint hint. And to get started on your first binge, make sure to check out one of my other videos that should be popping up on the screen here, and I will see you next time.